Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Libre, I don't know, computer board. So here it is. Went ahead and mounted it onto this little thing just so pins won't be touching anything. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool. It was only about like 35 bucks. And it's got 2 gigs of RAM. Yeah, 2 gigs of RAM. Come here on the back. We're going to check out all these cool things we got. All right, so right off the bat, um, you can see that it's not the same, but it is similar to a Raspberry Pi. And this is supposed to be a Raspberry Pi 3 with um, some differences, such as this is a 64-bit board, so you need to use a 64-bit operating system, as well as the micro C here and just a regular HDMI, along with some other things. But this thing's super cool. 2 gigs of RAM. Got a little chip right here. Gonna do some testing here, and I'll actually show how to get it all set up. Got our little microchip that goes in there, and it does have an eMMC module expansion slot. So I think you can get an eMMC module and then just flash the OS to that, so it will boot off that rather than having to use this. But that's something different. Anyways, yeah, this thing's super cool. I do, however, love this. Um, that way I know right off the bat, yeah, these are going to be power pins. And if I just remember the color code, I'll be able to just know where to plug things in rather than have to look it up all the time. So, all right. So for this part, we'll take your microchip and converter, whatever, reader, whatever you want to call it. And then we'll go and plug it into the computer. And so over here on the computer, we just look up the board that we're doing, which is this one. And then click on whatever operating system you want, and it will open up kind of like a how-to guide. And this is pretty straightforward, very easy. So you just download the image you want. So actually, go here, go to 12. And then S905XCC, that's the board, as you can see. And then you'll just download that. So I've already got it downloaded. Once you've got it downloaded, you'll come here to the Pi Imagey, select the Raspberry Pi 3. I'm not sure if it's going to make a difference. Just for this board, I haven't done enough testing, but the 3 works. And then use custom, and then you'll select that image that you just downloaded. And then select your storage device, and then you're off and running. Now you can do the automatic settings for headless that they do offer when you go to the next steps. Up to you. And then once you're done, just pull this bad boy out and just stick it right in here. And you're off and you're ready to start. So I got everything all plugged up and ready to go. Turn it on. This thing's got a blue light. I like that. We'll come over here. This is my keyboard, in case you're wondering. Reminds me of Windows. Now, when you first boot this up, it is going to take a second to get it all figured out. And then if you are using Raspbian, you have to go through the boot up process and set up an account. But yeah, there we go. That was honestly not bad comparable to some stuff. I mean, considering 2 gigs of RAM, it was pretty decent. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's it. Booting up. Pretty nice. Pretty fast. Just come over to the board. You can see that they got that green light going and then the blue one is blinking. Yeah. Thank you for watching.